Alright, what's up guys? In this video I'm going to be unboxing the Teamgroup GX2 2.5-inch SSD. So this is the 512 gig variant, 3-year warranty. Let's check the back. They don't have any, actually yeah, okay, 530 megabyte read, 480 write, so pretty slow for an SSD, but more than enough for games and stuff. So I've actually already cut this already, since this is one of those really annoying packages to open. So all you get is the SSD and plastic casing as usual. Teamgroup sticker on the back, standard mounting holes. And there's your SATA data and power connections. So yeah, really basic SSD, cheap on Amazon, like 50 bucks, sub 50 actually on sale for 512 gigs, so I'm not gonna complain. And yeah, that's gonna be the end of the video. Hopefully this was helpful. If you did enjoy, feel free to like, comment, and subscribe, and I'll catch you in the next video.